Namaskar, dear students, welcome. Today, I shall solve some problems on exact differential equations. Originally, the equations are not exact, means del m by del y is not equal to del n by del x, del n by del x. But if del n by del x minus del m by del y, this is not equal to 0 because this is del m by del y is not equal to del n by del x. Therefore, del n by del x minus del m by del y is not equal to 0. Now, if you divide it by m, this m, if it is a function of y only, then e to the power integral fy dy is the integrating factor of the differential equation base. E to the power integral fy dy is the integrating factor of the differential equation this. If you multiply the differential equation by the integrating factor, then the differential equation become exact. Also, if del m by del y minus del n by del x divided by n, this is n, is a function of x only, then e to the power integral fx dx is the integrating factor. Fx dx is the integrating factor. If you multiply the differential equation by the integrating factor, the differential equation becomes exact. Now, let me solve this problem. For this differential equation, you see, here m equal to x y cube plus y, m equal to 2 times of x square y square plus x plus y to the power 4. Del m by del y. What is del m by del y? Equal to thrice x y square plus 1. What is del n by del x? With respect to x, treating y as constant, it will be 4 x y square plus 2. 4x y square plus 2. Therefore, del m by del y is not equal to del n by del x. Del n by del y is not equal to del n by del x. Therefore, 1 is not exact. Suppose this differential equation is 1. 1 is not exact. This differential equation is not exact. Now, del n by del x minus del m by del y. What is this? This is equal to 4x square, 4xy square plus 2 minus thrice x y square minus 1. This is equal to xy square plus 1. Xy square plus 1. Now, 1 by m del n by del x minus del m by del y. This is equal to x y square plus 1 divided by, what is m? X y cube plus y. This is equal to x y square plus 1 x y square plus 1. This is equal to 1 by y. Is a function of y only. It is a function of y only. Therefore, integrating factor. What is the integrating factor? E to the power integral fy dy. This is equal to into e to the power integral 1 by y dy. This is equal to e to the power log y equal to y. Integrating factor is y. Multiply the differential equation 1 by the integrating factor. Multiply 1 by integrating factor. Multiplying 1 by integrating factor. Multiplying 1 by integrating factor, which is equal to y, we get xy cube plus y into y dx plus 2 times of it is x square y square plus x plus y to the power 4 y dy. This is equal to 0. This is equal to 0. Is it? You see, multiplying 1 by twice x square y square plus x plus y to the power 4. Y to the power 4, y equal to 0. This means x y to the power 4 plus y square into dx plus 2 times of x square y cube plus xy plus y to the power 5 dy. This is equal to 0. This is equal to 0. Suppose this is number 2. This is number 2. Suppose this is number 2. For 2, m equal to x y to the power 4 plus y square, n equal to 2 times of x square y cube plus xy plus y to the power 5. Del m by del y equal to 4x y cube plus twice y. Del n by del x equal to 4x y cube plus twice y. Therefore, del m by del y, this is equal to del n by del x. That for the differential equation 2. For the differential equation 2. Del m by del y equal to del n by del x. Therefore, 2 is exact. Since 2 is exact, solution of 2 is integral m dx. M means x y to the power 4 plus y square dx, treating y as constant, plus integral, take only those terms which are free from x. This is equal to 2 times of y to the power 5 dy. This is equal to constant c. This means it is x square by 2 y to the power 4 plus y square x plus 2 times of y to the power 6 divided by 6 is equal to constant. Or you may write x square y to the power 4 divided by 2 plus x y square plus y to the power 6 by 3 equal to 0. Y to the power 6 by 3 equal to 0. This is the solution of the differential equation 2. Now, since the differential equation 2 is exact, therefore 2 can be expressed in the form du equal to 0. 2 can be expressed in the form du equal to 0. Therefore, 2 can be solved in the alternative way also. Let's suppose 2. Again, alternative method. Alternatively, 2 implies what is 2? You see, x y to the power 4 plus y square dx, x y to the power 4 plus y square dx, x y to the power 4 plus y square dx plus 2 times of x square y cube plus xy plus y to the power 5, 2 times of x square y cube plus xy plus y to the power 5 dy equal to 0. You see, this xy plus y to the power 4, these two can be written in this way also. Now, group कर दीजिए आप अभी square. This is for x y to the power 4 dx, x y to the power 4 dx plus twice x square y cube dy, twice x square y cube dy plus y square dx plus twice xy dy plus 2 times of y to the power 5 dy equal to 0. Y to the power 5 dy. This means y to the power 4 x dx, this can be written as d of x square by 2 plus, for this enumerate x square by 2 d of y to the power 4. Can I write like this? 4y cube x square by 2, 4y cube means twice x square y cube plus y square dx plus x d of y square, you may write like this, plus 2 times of d of y to the power 6 divided by 6 equal to 0, you may write like this, or d of x square by 2 y to the power 4 plus d of x y square plus d of y to the power 6 divided by 3 equal to 0, or you may write d of x square y to the power 4 divided by 2 plus x y square plus y to the power 6 divided by 3 equal to 0. Integrating we get, if you integrate this, you will get x square y to the power 4 divided by 2 plus x y square plus y to the power 6 divided by 3. This is equal to constant. Y to the power 6 divided by 3 equal to constant. Therefore, we have solved this problem. Therefore, we have solved this problem. Let us solve one other problem. Let us solve this problem, this one. Thrice x square y to the power 4. This. Here, you see here m equal to, suppose this is number 1, m equal to thrice x square y to the power 4 plus twice xy, n equal to twice x cube y cube minus x square del m by del y equal to 12 x square y cube plus twice x del n by del x equal to 6 x square y cube minus twice x square y cube minus twice x. Therefore, del m by del y is not equal to del n by del x. Therefore, one is not exact. But del n by del x minus del m by del y will be equal to this minus this, minus 6x square y cube, this minus this, minus 4x, minus 4x. This is equal to minus twice x, thrice x y cube plus 2, thrice x y cube plus 2. 1 by m del n by del x minus del m by del y. This is equal to minus twice x, thrice x y cube plus 2 divided by thrice x square, this is y to the power 4 plus twice xy. This is equal to minus twice x, thrice x y cube plus 2 divided by xy, common xy. If you take xy common, then you will get thrice x y cube plus 2, y cube plus 2. These two terms will be cancelled. Now, these two terms will be cancelled. These two terms will be cancelled, x will be cancelled. This is equal to minus 2 by y is a function of y, is a function of y. Minus 2 by y is a function of y. Therefore, integrating factor equal to, therefore, integrating factor equal to e to the power integral fy dy. This is equal to e to the power integral fy dy. Means integral minus 2 by y dy equal to e to the power minus 2 log y. This is equal to e to the power log y to the power minus 2. This is equal to y to the power minus 2. Y to the power minus 2 means 1 by y square. Therefore, integrating factor equal to, therefore, we have got the integrating factor equal to 1 by y square. Integrating factor is 1 by y square. Multiply 1 by integrating factor. Multiplying 1 by integrating factor we get, suppose this one. Multiplying 1 by integrating factor we get 1 by integrating factor equal to 1 by y square. We get multiply. What is 1? Thrice x square y to the power 4 plus twice xy divided by y square. Thrice x square y to the power 4 divided, thrice x square y to the power 4 plus twice xy. Thrice x square y to the power 4 plus twice xy divided by y square dx. Divided by this dx plus twice x cube y cube minus x square divided by y square. Twice x cube y cube minus x square. Twice x cube y cube minus x square divided by y square dy equal to 0. dy is equal to 0. Now, this can be written as thrice x square y square plus twice x by y dy dx plus twice x cube y minus x square by y square dy. This is equal to 0. dy equal to 0. Suppose this is number 2. Suppose this differential equation is number 2. For 2, m equal to thrice x square y square plus twice x by y del m by del y equal to 6 x square y minus twice x by y square. Del n by del x equal to 6 x square y minus twice x divided by y square. Therefore, 2 is exact. Therefore, 2 is exact. Therefore, 2 is exact. Since del m by del y equal to del m by del x. Solution of 2 is, you see, solution of 2 is integral m thrice x square y square plus twice x by y m dx plus m dy, taking only those terms which are free from x. No term is there. Plus x plus 0 equal to 0 equal to constant. Or you may write 3y square x cube by 3 plus 2 by y x square by 2 equal to constant. Or you may write x cube y square plus x square by y equal to constant. This is the solution of the differential equation. This is the solution. X square y equal to constant. Since 2 is exact, alternatively 2 can be written as 2. This means, this 2 implies you thrice x square y square dx. This thrice x square y square dx plus, right, twice x cube y dy. Just this one, this term. Next, write plus twice x by y dx minus x square by y square, x square by x square dy equal to 0. dy equal to 0. dy is equal to 0. Suppose this one. Next, right here. This means you may write y square. For thrice x square dx, you may write d of x cube. d of x cube plus x cube d of twice y may be written as d of y square. Plus it is y square twice xy dx minus x square dy equal to 0. This means d of x cube y square plus, you may write here y d of x square minus x square dy divided by y square equal to 0. You may write like this. Next you will see. This means d of x cube y square plus d of x square by y equal to 0, or d of x cube y square plus x square by y equal to 0. Integrating we get x cube y square plus x square by y equal to constant. You see, we have got the same result. This one, we have got the same result. Therefore, multiplying the differential equation by the integrating factor, we can convert the differential equation to exact form. Now, let me solve this problem. This one. Here m equal to x y square minus x square, m equal to thrice x square y square plus x square y minus twice x cube plus y square, del m by del y. You see, del m by del y equal to twice xy, del n by del x equal to 6x y square plus twice xy minus 6x square, right? Del n by del x equal to this. Therefore, one is, suppose this is 1. Therefore, 1 is not exact. Therefore, 1 is not exact. Del n by del x minus del m by del y equal to this twice x will be cancelled. You will get 6xy square minus 6x square. You will get this one. Or take 6x common. You will get y square minus x. Y square minus x. But therefore 1 by m del n by del x minus del m by del y equal to 6x y square minus x divided by this is x y square minus x square, x y square minus x square. X y square minus x square. It is x y square minus x, 6x y square minus x. These two terms will be cancelled. These two terms will be cancelled. Xx will be cancelled, which is equal to 6. Which is equal to 6. 6 can be regarded as a function of y. This can be regarded as a function of y. 6 can be regarded as a function of y. Now multiply 1 by 6 1 by therefore integrating, just find integrating factor. Therefore integrating factor equal to e to the power integral 6 dy, which is equal to e to the power 6y. E to the power 6y. Multiply 1 by e to the power 6y. Multiply 1 by e to the power 6y. Now you see multiply. Now multiply 1 by e to the power 6y. Let me write it down. 1 by e to the power 6y. Multiplying 1 by e to the power 6y. 1 by e to the power 6y, we get xy square minus x square e to the power 6y dx plus thrice x square y square plus x square y minus twice x cube plus y square e to the power 6y dy equal to 0. Suppose this is number 2. For 2 m equal to x y square minus x square e to the power 6y. Del m by del y. What is del m by del y? Equal to first function this x y square minus x square into differentiation of the second function plus differentiation of the first function with respect to this twice xy into second function e to the power 6y. Now this is equal to e to the power 6y. Take e to the power 6y common. Then you will get 6x y square minus 6x square plus twice xy. You will get this one. Del m by del x. Now n equal to, what is n? N equal to thrice x square y square plus x square y minus twice x cube plus y square into e to the power 6y del n by del x. This is equal to del n by del x. Y is common, constant, e to the power 6y. With respect to x, it is 6x y square 6xy square plus twice xy minus 6x square 6x square. You see here this del m by del y is equal to del m by del x. Therefore del m by del y equal to del m by del x. Therefore 2 is exact. 2 is exact. Therefore 2 is exact. You see 2 is exact. This is exact. Therefore solution of 2 is therefore solution of 2 is integral m dx treating y as constant. What is m? X y square minus x square e to the power 6y. X y square minus x square. X y square minus x square e to the power 6y dx. And taking only those terms in m which are free from x. Now you see x is here, x, without x is only this term, y square e to the power 6y dy, y square e to the power 6y dy, plus integral y square e to the power 6y dy. This is equal to constant. Now treating y as constant, therefore you will get e to the power 6y. It is constant. Here it will be x square y square divided by 2 minus x cube by 3. You will get this plus y square integration of this e to the power 6y divided by 6 minus integral twice y e to the power 6y divided by 6 dy equal to constant, or e to the power 6y, suppose x square common, y square by 2 minus x by 3 plus y square e to the power 6y divided by 6 minus 1 by 3 for this y e to the power 6y divided by 6 minus integral 1 e to the power 6y divided by 6 dy. This is equal to constant. You will get this one, or e to the power 6y x square y square by 2 minus x by 3 plus y square e to the power 6y divided by 6 minus y e to the power 6y divided by 18 5 plus 18 e to the power 6y divided by 6 equal to constant. This is equal to constant. Or let me write here now. In this, or e to the power 6y x square y square by 2 minus x by 3 plus e to the power 6y. It will be y square by 6 minus y by 18 plus 1 by 108 equal to constant. Or you may write e to the power 6y x square into y square by 2 minus x by 3 plus y square by 6 minus y by 18 plus 1 by 108. This is 1 by 108. 1 by 108. This is equal to constant. This will be the solution of these differential equations. In the alternative method also you can solve the differential equation. Dear students, we have solved 3 problems today. I want to stop here. Thanks for attending the class. Thank you very much. ধন্যবাদ. Thank you.